Everybody loves home decor. What do I see trending right now? Is the wild, crazy patterns. Colors and different tones and funky 60s style tile. It's really exciting, and I'm very curious to see how many houses I'm going to start seeing it in. On the similar note, as far as decor, timeless things. I really find endearing when I go into homes that are really old, like built in the 30s and 40s, and you see those doorknobs, those crystal doorknobs that are so ornate and antique, obviously, that we want to keep them. And the light pieces up on the ceiling, the light sconces and stuff like that, that's old and very classic. One house I sold about 10, 15 years ago, they had the stove that I think we saw like in Leave It to Beaver and Drink Lever, like the way they opened the door and turned on the gas. It was so cool, and what was really neat was the buyer went through great lengths when they got the house to get it all fixed, and they still have it in their house. It's really cool. I think that so many people are so creative out there, and one of the coolest things I saw was this one couple. They bought their house, they spent just about every penny to get into this house. And then they went garage sailing and to Goodwill and different things like that and bought your basic mirrors and things like that. And they started spray painting them. They spray painted them with gold and black and silver. And I went into their house and I felt like the most luxurious house in Beverly Hills. It was spectacular how they did all these DIY things. So impressed with people and their creativity. And I can learn from my clients every day when they do things like that.